Importance of Computer Education Information Technology Essay in English. Computers are slowly but steadily creeping into our lives. They have completely changed the complexion of our work and leisure. Now architects design our houses with the help of computers. Our pay bills and utility bills are prepared by computers. Today, scientists, doctors, engineers, musicians, accountants, soldiers, businessmen, bankers, and almost everybody belonging to any field of life are using them in their day-to-day work. Even the book we are reading now has been typeset by a computer. We can easily predict that within a few years we will come into contact with this fact: an intelligent electronic brain in every office, on the way to and from work and in the home. Computers are now considered the most effective, accurate, and comprehensive means of acquiring knowledge on any topic. From our computer, we can take an aerial tour of Disneyland. We can get information from the British Museum Library or from the Library of Congress in America. With the proper equipment, we can sit at our computer and communicate with someone anywhere in the world. We can also use the internet to access vast amount of information including text, graphics, sound and video in any part of the world. With the help of our computers, we can send email, receive electronic newsletters and even chat with others online. By using video camera, we can even see the person we are chatting with. Computer combines knowledge with pleasures. Play is a natural method of learning about something. Most of the computer programs such as teach children different languages and scientific facts through interesting games. By playing these games, they learn how to make fantastic graphics, animations and sounds at the touch of a finger. The day is not far when computers will replace books, becoming the companions and teachers of the generations to come. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.